Welcome to the Accomplished Brain podcast, where we share our passion, knowledge, and experience about the brain and health.
You have the vagal nerve, and through something like a breathing exercise, you're essentially can go through that pathway in order to affect the function of the amygdala.
Yeah, let's talk about that as well. So I'm going to bring that up right over here with that diagram with our course here. So finish course. Yeah, so let me bring this up right here. Is the this is really cool. So the brain stem. So the brain stem is so powerful that there are 12 cranial nerves in the brainstem. So the brainstem looks at smell, vision, eye movements. It looks at hearing, sound. There it looks at vestibular inner balance, sound, swallowing, breathing, reflex for the heart that could help. So we could do so many things in the brainstem that can affect the autonomics, whether it's the vascular system, we can open it up, whether it's, the breathing system can improve. Because a lot of your breathing, if you look at the brainstem is kind of in this area here where orange, green and blue. Green and blue is your pons and your medulla. So your breathing centers are in your medulla, right? And your pons and medulla, that area together, that can inhibit pain, that can stimulate your vagus nerve. So cranial nerve 10 is your vagus nerve, and that activates your parasympathetic system. And we could use like breathing, we could use physical exercise like aerobic type of exercise. We could use eye movements. We could use movements of the limb that activate the brain, which activates the cortex, and that will fire into those pons in the medulla. So that can help again decrease your pain. That can help improve certain muscles, recruitment of certain muscles. And that can help the autonomics. So blood pressure, heart rate, pulse, temperature, oxygen, all that could be improved with our brain and brain stimulation and firing either directly or firing indirectly into another area and then firing back down into the brainstem can help modulate the autonomic nervous system. So sleep. So, I mean, this is the cool thing that's what we're seeing in our program that we're being able to help is PTSD, sleep, anxiety, and all this stuff in our podcast. We're going to go deeper levels of the mechanism and specific exercise and how we can help these specific functions.